Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Everyone's Story. So finally Pokemon Company has released the summary and title of episode 38. Which suggests that in this episode we are going to see a restoration of fossil Pokemon. And if you guys were my subscriber and watch my previous video, you know that I already make video on episode 37 and episode 39. And in that video I say you guys that episode 38 title and summary has not come yet, and when it will come I will make video on it. And I kept my promise. But before I begin, as always, I suggest you to subscribe this channel if you guys like to interact with me. And now let me jump straight to the video. So here is the episode 38 title. The Colossal Restoration in the Fossil Pokemon. And the summary. Satoshi and Go are attending the Great Fossil Pokemon exhibit being held at the Museum of Science in Nibi City. And Go's childhood friend Koharu has come with them since this can be of help with her research project. The three of them decided to join a fossil digging activity overflowing with romanticism, where they'll be able to restore fossils to living Pokemon if they find some that are in good condition. Go searches like a madman since he really wants to get a fossil Pokemon. But what he ends up finding is a bit of secret amber that has some Pokemon DNA contained in it. What kind of Pokemon will be reborn from this? So from the title and summary it's clear that in this episode we are going to see a restoration of fossil Pokemon. And if I say in simple words, it means the Pokemon who were dead, their fossil will be restored. And with the help of science they will be reborn. And also now the image that we show in the special preview is now understandable. That this is a museum where all these restoration of fossil Pokemon event is going to take place. And moreover this episode is going to be take place in Pewter City, Kanto, the home of Brock. But in this video we are not going to discuss will Brock could return in this episode or not. Although besides all this we are going to see the trio once again. And the Pokemon who will reborn in this episode could be Aerodactyl. And I think Aerodactyl might lose his control and attack everyone. And then Ash and Go will try to stop him. And maybe Ash or Go will catch that Aerodactyl. Whatever, this week is going to be very interesting for Pokemon. Because first in episode 37 we are going to see the return of Alola Gang. Then in episode 38 we are going to see Aerodactyl. And then finally in episode 39 we are going to see the rematch between Ash and Bee. And also I forgot to say that episode 39 is going to take place in Johto region. And also in this episode we are going to see the return of Chuck. If you guys has watched Johto region I think you know this man. Although that's the end of this video. If you guys like the video don't forget to like, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.